my body. Whole click pull up in vets, bitch.
Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. How you living, how you feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all? Today I got my lovely fiance in the car. We're gonna get a reaction. Y'all seen I just got them cooked headers, y'all. We got the cold air intake, the ported throttle body spacer with the Cook's X pipe. And then we also got the MSD spark plug wires as well, with new spark plugs in here. So you know we got that good old tune, man. About to get a reaction to the car. I haven't really pushed it with her in the car yet. So, how you think it's finna go, man?
I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. But we'll see. How
Can't
I
be
feel
too
about
bad.
it.
Like it's gonna do something, y'all. I don't know what she do. She be putting her hand up like this against the window, like it's gonna protect her against something. That little hand ain't gonna stop this car.
Hey, I'm gonna try. Shit. Gotta protect my face.
Man, 18 wheelers hopped in front of us, man. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. Tell the people, man, we went all the way to Oklahoma to get this car. And it was snowing a little bit when we got there. That was crazy. That was a little crazy weather change we went through. Because it was like 80 degrees in Houston, y'all. We went all the way to Oklahoma.
And it dropped to what?
30 degrees.
Yeah.
Boy, it was hoodied up, though. I was prepared. It wasn't too bad. And the crazy thing is, y'all, I actually called ahead of time. So they knew I was coming in to get the car. I put a deposit down so they can hold it for me. And the guy actually came in that morning trying to buy the vet. Like, nah, too late. I already got my deposit down, man. Go ahead and leave. You can leave with this Ford Mustang they got, though. You ain't leaving with this. You thought I was going to get it? Did you believe in me when I told you I was going to go get it?
Yeah, I did. That's why I was like, all right, come on, let's go.
There's a select few of people that I told. I was like, man, I think I should get a vet or a truck. Even though I work in construction, y'all, I was gonna make it work no matter what. So, ended up having to pull through with the vet, man. And people say I couldn't daily drive the vet, man. They was wrong. It was wrong. Okay. What's wrong?
He got a pull. Shit. It pulled me back to my seat.
I'm just trying to let them know, man. You can daily drive a vet. Whether from the Stingray to the Z06, man. It depends on the driver and how well you take care of your car, y'all. Everything has to do with maintenance, man. Anything that's man-made, you maintain it, it's gonna last you. If you don't beat on it all the time, it's gonna last you. You just gotta be smart with y'all stuff, man, and don't be going crazy all the time. There's a time and a place for everything. So you gotta know, you gotta control that adrenaline rush you get every time. Got a good old subscriber right there. Do you feel the difference? Do you feel like it's faster?
Yes, I do, and it has a pull.
We just
When you step on it.
yeah, we just in tour mode. Let me go ahead and put it in a track.
Oh, I'm scared for that one. Shit.
It ain't that bad.
We'll see.
Y'all, I actually got my car tuned by Corvette World. She feels the difference. For me, I feel like they could have got more out of it. So we actually gonna go get that sauce from Matt. Sorry on y'all, MS Tuning. Make sure y'all go check him out on Instagram. It's gonna pop up right here. MS Tuning, y'all, on Instagram. He's certified with these LT1 and LS3. Any LS and LT engines, y'all, Chevy motors, that man got y'all, no cap. Make sure y'all go get the sauce from Matt. Because I haven't heard no good things about him unless people trying to promote their tuner and they're trying to get you to go to their guy. But he don't know what he doing. A lot of tuners been blowing up people's cars, y'all, and they ain't gonna, they ain't responsible for it, because you know what comes with it. It's the risk. It costs to pay. So, but you might want to put that phone down. I love it because people hear you coming and they move out the way. It's like they know. Cook's headers put on, y'all. I'm gonna pop it up in a card right here. With that, with my Cook's headers, the cold air intake, the throttle body be imported. The throttle body spacer causing the turbulence when it sucks in air, which is increasing airflow, so it's cooling the engine down faster, y'all. It's able to breathe in a lot more air. The X pipe and the high flow cats, plus the tune, I should be pushing around 509 to 490 horsepower and 509 torque, y'all. Should be around there. But I'm gonna go get the sauce from Matt, because Corvette World just did a street tune on it, and that's what I was saying. I don't really think they got the most out of it like they really could have. Also, their tuner is a little bit new. Baby, these Brimbos, you ain't gotta grab onto the dough like that. Come on now, y'all better tell her these Brimbos, they stop on a dime, man. We good, chill out.
I'll be scared.
We at a red light right now, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and forward till we rolling. So we got the traffic jam, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You good over there?
Yeah,
Another thing with the back, y'all fit damn near anywhere. Like someone trying to, you know how when you got your turn signal when someone gonna speed up beside you, y'all. I don't know, that might be a Houston thing, but y'all put y'all signal on. They like to try and speed up to try and say you ain't finna get over. In this vet, man, it ain't you gonna let me over, it's I'm gonna get over. You know, with some authority. Yeah, put some respect on it. We is cruising, you is good.
I'm good. I just don't know you. You be surprised me. You see? And I am not exaggerating. It pulls me back. Shit. It does.
Man. And also, y'all, with the tune, she's always in V8 mode. She's no longer, it doesn't switch V4, cut half of the cylinders, no more of that. That's actually bad for the motor, y'all. Them down, ooh, little snap crackle pop. God damn. Man. I'm just blessing the people's eyes right now. I know they just like, damn. Look at BMW keep trying to creep up right next to me. I know, look, thank you. Head ass. Nah, I'm just kidding. I appreciate the love, man. But y'all, should I get a reaction to her driving the car, y'all? Let me know. I think that's gonna be the next video. I'm gonna let her drive the vet,
I like
so
that
she
idea.
can. You know, you can't go too crazy.
I won't, babe. I won't.
You know, females driving, y'all, especially in Houston, y'all a little bad over here.
I ain't that bad.
I trust her though, y'all. She took me all the way to Oklahoma to go get it, y'all. She got me there safe and sound, barely. I was a little worried over there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
But did you die?
Almost. We went through Dallas. Do you not remember Dallas? I always almost get hit. I always have a close call in Dallas, y'all. I don't know what it is about Dallas, but y'all cannot drive over there. But y'all, like I was saying, next video probably gonna let her do her thing in the vet, y'all. We gonna see. She be pussyfooting this vet, y'all. She be saying, I know I got one. No, you don't. That means step on this motherfucker. You good. Scoot your seat up all the way so you can push this pedal all the way to the floor. Cause it's like the pedal's weighted. That thing just wanna drop. When you put your foot on it, it's gonna do what you tell it to do. But yeah, y'all, with that being said, that's gonna be it for this one. Remember, stay versatile, treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man. And go at it like it's y'all last. We out.
Hopped out my motherfucker bed. Hopped in a motherfucker coupe.